Hey guys, welcome back to Puzzle Fun. I got a new puzzle today. It's a 7 levers padlock. Looks like it's by HIYER. And let's take a look at it. Well, right away it looks like the other one, a lot heavier than the other one. Not made by the same company though. This one's pretty cool looking though. It's got like the same kind of build. I mean, they look like they could be the same company. I'm not 100% sure if they are or not. But yeah, this looks pretty nifty. The weight's very much there, and comes with 2 keys. Keys look exactly the same. So, all right, let's get started. And I also got a new timer because I keep forgetting to use mine. So this one's gonna stay here on the table. I'm not gonna move it. It's gonna stay here so I don't forget. Let's get started. So, kind of like the other one, I'm kind of looking for a button because I don't know what this one entails. I mean, it is cool as hell looking though. I don't know if you guys can see that too well, but that's pretty nice. Zoom that back out. There we go. So yeah. Alright, let's get started. Now, I see 2 keyholes. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm immediately gonna try, okay, that's not gonna work. Gets blocked. That's just not happening. That doesn't do anything. Now that looks like it would go. Where does this one go? Usually where the hole is on the back is usually where the key needs to go. I'm just not 100% sure. Well, unlock something. What's this? Does it slide up? I mean, if you look in there, I don't know if you guys can see, but it looks like, I wonder. I'm gonna hate it if this video is that easy, but you never know. Okay, this turns. Slides. Ah, really? So basically what this does is you unlock it and it just pushes that over. But if you lock it back up, you can't push it. I'm kind of disappointed. I thought it would be harder than this. This is actually silly easy. So what I'm gonna do, because it is silly easy, I've got another puzzle, and it's gonna be a puzzle box. It's just a small one for right now. But yeah, this is HIYER Padlock. Ridiculously easier than I thought it was gonna be. I mean, I did it in about 2 minutes. It's not bad, but again, I was kind of hoping it'd be harder for. I paid like 23 bucks for it. I kind of was hoping it'd be harder for 23 bucks. I mean, okay. Let's place this one to the side. I'll grab this one. Now this is one a friend of mine let me borrow, and it's called the Magic Box. And we're gonna check out to see how this opens up. Now I've never even messed with this or fiddled with it or anything. It looks like there's some seams on it. It looks like a drawer right here. I don't want to push too hard and break something, but that looks like a seam right there. wonder if that pops up. Is that? Can't tell if that's sliding or not. It looks like it's... Yeah, because that looks like a drawer right there. I mean, you can see it. I just... Is it open from the side? Oh! Yes, it does. And that is a magic box. And that is done as well. So that took like, what, another 2 minutes? So, or maybe even a minute. So not bad. Kind of wish, I still wish the padlock was a little bit harder. I'm kind of bummed out about that. But that's all I got for tonight, guys. I hope you enjoyed. And as always, like, subscribe, share, comment below. And let people know about this channel and help me get some more subscriptions. Alright guys, that's all. Have a good night.